Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix WhatsApp call problem. So if you have any problem with the WhatsApp calls, this video or this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So the first way is you have to open the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks tab. Now here you will find this airplane mode, or what you wanna do is just enable it and wait a few seconds and disable it again, and that's the first way. The second way is you can do the same thing with the Wi-Fi or the network that you are connected to. Just disable it and then enable it again. And if you can change the network, change it. Now the second way is you have to open the apps manager like this, click on WhatsApp and then click on this for stop, because this is gonna fix a lot of problems. The third way and the last one is you have to go to the storage right here and then click on clear data. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.